Hi, my name is Luke. Welcome back to another video on this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a timer that has the ability to close any open positions that are not profitable after 1 hour of being open. So to be clear, if we have a trade that's open and it's been losing for 1 hour, then the EA will close that position automatically. And this could save you from taking a full loss by letting your stop loss get hit. So let's get started. First, we need to click the IDE icon at the top of your chart. Now we want to click on New, Expert Advisor from Template, then Next. I will call this Trade Close Timer. You may name it whatever you like. Then we click Next, Next, and Finish. We can delete everything above the on-tick function and these two comment lines. I also like to adjust my curly brackets. Let's quickly click Compile so it saves the file, and now we have our template to work with. So we start by adding the trade.mqh file, which contains the ctrade class. We then create an instance of that class called trade. We will need this to open some test positions, and then inside the onTick function, we start by calculating the ask price and the bid price. We do this by using normalized double, then symbol info double for the current symbol on the chart. For the bid price, we can just copy and paste this line below and swap ask to bid. So now we want to open some test positions so that we have something to close. And just to be clear, we would not actually use this or do this in a live account. It's just for the tester so that we have something to open and close. The whole purpose of the code that I'm showing you is to add to your own existing EAs. Okay, so now we say if positions total equals 0, meaning that we have no open positions. We use trade.buy to open a buy position. Just copy everything I write here. We then copy this to open a sell position. We just need to swap buy to sell and switch from ask to bid. And then also we switch the plus and minus signs around. This will just save writing it all again. And afterwards we want to call a function called check close timer. So this function obviously doesn't exist yet, and that's what we're going to create now. So below we will use void because we have no return value, and we use check close timer for the function's name. We then use a for loop to go through all the open positions. And for each position, we want to use position get ticket to get the ticket number. We also want to calculate the position open time. So we say date time, position open time equals position get integer, position time. Then we use MQL date time to create a structure called my open time. We then say time to struct, position open time, my open time. This makes it possible to extract the opening hour for this position. And for that we say int opening hour equals my open time dot hour. Next we need to get the current hour of the local time. We do this by using date time local time equals time local. Now we create another structure. This one will be called my local time. Once again we use time to struct to convert the local time that we have calculated into our structure. And afterwards we extract the current hour by saying int current hour equals my local time dot hour. This makes it possible to calculate the difference by subtracting the opening hour from the current hour. And now we can create a few print statements. This is just for the EA's journal. We don't actually need it, but it's always good to have it. So now let's calculate the position profit. Then after the first hour is over, we want to check if the position profit is negative. If this is true, we use trade.positionClose for our current ticket to close the position. Now we can click on compile. You shouldn't get any errors. There will be 2 warnings, but they're completely fine, don't need to worry about them. And now we can go back to the MetaTrader. So we click on view. strategy tester. We select the file that we've just created. Make sure that the visual mode is ticked and press start. Now you can see that this EA is opening trades and it's closing positions based on the time. If you want to learn more about MQL5 programming so you can build your own expert advisors, etc., feel free to check out the link in the video description. This will take you to my website where you will find a step-by-step completely beginner-friendly course. You will learn everything you need to know to start programming by yourself, and it's currently priced at just $99. You will also get 2 bonus EAs which are profitable. One is a RSI EA, which is the EA that you will write with me to as part of the learning. And then there is a bonus module where you will write a Bitcoin EA, which is highly profitable, and you will make back your course fees tenfold. So I will also post this EA in my free Telegram group, and be sure to check that out. I'll leave a link in the description, and that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.